I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn different techniques in which sinusoidal functions can be combined. When I say sinusoidal function, I mean f of x equals to sine x, and sine g, let us say sine x, okay, and g of x equals to cosine x, right? So these are the sinusoidal functions. Now these can be combined by different operations. We could do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, right? Now, when you do multiplication and division, you may or may not get sinusoidal function. But when you do addition and subtraction, you always get sinusoidal functions. So let me write down functions like h of x, which is equal to, for example, sine x plus cosine x, or minus cosine x. So these are sinusoidal function, combination of these two. But if we multiply these functions, sine x times cosine x, then also we get a sinusoidal function, because this function could be written as half of sine 2x, right? So addition, subtraction, and multiplication will give you sinusoidal functions. On the other hand, if we perform the operation of division, in that case, let us say we have d of x, which is equals to sine x over cosine x. Now this function is tan x, which is not sinusoidal, right? Or if we say c of x equals to cosine x over sine x, then that is cotangent x, right? So these are also not sinusoidal, right? So these combinations which you have seen here, the above combination, they are not sinusoidal. But these combinations are all sinusoidal. Correct? So that is kind of important to understand. Now, if we could combine the function in a different way, for example, you could multiply by itself and add, right? For example, you can have a function, let us say p of x, which is equals to sine x times sine x, that means sine square x plus cos square x. Now this one is also not sinusoidal, as it will give you 1, right? So these combinations will not give you a sinusoidal function. Here there is a very important function which we call wave function. So wave function, let me write x as the parameter, that will be good. We are considering sine x cosine x, could be written as a sine x plus b cos x, right? Now that kind of a function could be actually written in the form of r cos of x minus theta, right? So that is a sine function. When you combine these two, you can get it in the form of r cos of x minus theta. We have a couple of examples explaining this wave combination also. I'd like you to go through the links which I have provided and understand in details how sinusoidal functions can be combined together, resulting into sinusoidal functions or not resulting into sinusoidal functions. I hope that helps. Thank you.